Talofa lover, my name is Moana. Today on the Senior Treasures of Samoa, we will be reviewing the book titled Tatou i le Matafaga. So translated, that means let's go to the beach. And so Tatou i le Matafaga is a book written by Pio Junior Mulipola. It's a bilingual book, so it has Samoan and English in it, and it teaches you the colors in Samoan. So what I liked about this book is the illustrations. Can you see that? The illustrations are cute. They're very, very cute. They're very clear. It makes it easy for you to see. I also really like that it's in English and Samoan. So if it was just in Samoan, then you wouldn't be able to understand if you were a non-Samoan speaker. But because it has the added English version on the same book in the same pages, then it's easy for you to go and see what that meaning might be if you didn't speak Samoan or if you didn't speak English. So it's good for Samoan speakers trying to learn English and for English speakers trying to learn Samoan. What else did I? The interactivity. So the book asks you questions. It also has a theme. So they're on their way to the beach and they're picking up people, and so it has a question on each page that you are asked several times, so the repetition helps you to learn even better, or even more, sorry. Yes, so it is a picture book, so it is suitable for younger children who can just follow with the books, with the pictures, sorry. So that's very helpful, and it's also good for bedtime stories, reading aloud, practicing your reading, and just all over reading time. So I really recommend this book. It is great for Samoans trying to learn English. It's also great for English speakers trying to learn Samoan. I would say that it was aimed directly at primary school students, although it is something that can be read by high school students. It's well written, easy to read, illustrations are beautiful. I give it a 10 out of 10. There's a link below for a digital download if you'd like to purchase it. Digital download means that it comes directly to your Kindle app, and you don't actually have to wait for it to come in the mail. So link below in the description for that. Hope that you enjoy this new book. Again, it's called Tatou i le Matafaga by Pio Junior Mulipola. Whawhatai te le lava, thank you for joining us. If you enjoyed this book, this video, please give it a like. If you would like to see more content like this, or you have a book that you wanted us to review, leave a comment in the comments below so that we can make a book for you. At this time, digital downloads are probably better for us because we're not able to leave the house. So yes, whawhatai te le lava, and have a nice day.